can see, this is the Likweti lifestyle that everybody's raving about. Beautiful estate, 765 hectares, extremely low density, wildlife estate. We also have a mac orchard, that's why there's the name farm is in Likweti Bushveld Farm Estate. Once complete, only 150 exclusive stands. We are currently on phase 3, which is called Likweti Views. Every single stand has a view, as you've noticed. And at this stage we have 4 residents here with 2 houses under construction. And after the launch of this phase, we've already sold 20 stands and two building packages. Facilities that the residents can use are at the lodges. You have use of the restaurants, you have use of the bars. If you have a big party, you can book the boma down there. There's 4x4 trails to do. There's various lookout points where you can go and have a braai with your family and a glass of wine on the rocks with sunset. But this is what you get. Absolutely something special. Also, Shalene, hope you have many, many happy years in this beautiful house.